In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error establishing a database connection in WordPress. This is a common issue, but with a few steps, you'll be back on track in no time. First, open the Local by Flywheel app. This is your starting point for managing your WordPress sites locally. Local by Flywheel is a fantastic tool for developers and beginners alike. It provides a seamless environment for WordPress development. Once you have it open, you'll see a list of your WordPress sites. Next, select the WordPress site that you're having trouble with. This is important because each site has its own unique settings and data. Be sure to choose the correct one to avoid affecting other sites. After selecting your site, you need to stop it momentarily. Click on Stop Site. This action pauses the site's services, allowing you to refresh its connection. With the site stopped, click Start Site again. This restarts both MySQL and Apache servers. These servers are essential for your WordPress site to function properly. Restarting them can often resolve connectivity issues. Once you do this, your site will be back up and running, and you may find that the error has disappeared. If the error persists, let's take a deeper look. Open your site folder by navigating to app/public/wp-config.php. This file is crucial as it contains your site's database configuration. Here, you will verify several important settings. Check the database settings carefully. First, ensure the DB_name matches the local database name. This ensures WordPress connects to the correct database. Next, verify the DB_user. It's usually set to root. Then check the DB_password. This is often root or might be blank. Finally, confirm that DB_haste is set to localhost. These settings must be accurate for the database connection to succeed. Now let's return to the local app. Click on Database and then open phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is a powerful tool for managing your databases. It gives you a visual interface to interact with your data. Once you're in phpMyAdmin, take a moment to confirm that your database exists. Check that it is not empty, as an empty database can cause connection errors. If your database is missing or empty, you may need to restore it from a backup. Having backups is a lifesaver as they prevent data loss in situations like this. If everything looks good in phpMyAdmin, it means your database is intact. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error establishing a database connection. If the issue persists, it might be worth reaching out for professional support. Understanding these steps helps maintain a healthy WordPress site. Thanks for following along today. With these insights, you're better equipped to troubleshoot WordPress database errors.